listening. How can I help today?
What's the weather is today?
It'll be partly cloudy with a high of 91 and a low of 74. Right now it's 89 and partly cloudy.
Google, do I need an umbrella today?
After the assistant is activated, your device can send what you say securely to Google to process your request, so your assistant can respond with the help you need.
No, it's not forecasted to rain in Pittsburgh today.
By default, we don't retain your audio recordings. That means the audio recording is automatically discarded after we fulfill your request.
Open the translator.
Okay, what language do you want translated?
Chinese.
Okay, Chinese.
Hi man, what's up?
嗨，瑞安，怎么了？
Okay, I'll stop translating.
Open the translator.
Alright, what language do you want translated? Got it, Burmese.
Hi, what's up?
嗨，巴图雷。
Hi Google.
Hi, Mayo. What can I do for you?
Open the Google Assistant setting.
Opening Assistant.
Okay Google. Okay Google. Hi Google. Hey Google. Hey Google. Hi Google. Hi Google.
Hello and good day.
Just have a good day.
Okay, got it.
Open the Google.
Opening Google.
Don't go tonight. Stay here one more time. Remind us what it's like.
You deserve.
Hey Google, good night.